So holiday period is over for me and I'm back at work, but I am just clearing some of the food that has been sitting in my fridge. I thought I'm going to do a quick recap of this cold pasta salad that I just like to munch on. So here's a quick recap. I've got some little bit of mayonnaise that is left in the container. So I've just transferred it into a bowl. I've got to add some gherkin, pickle juice, mustard, Dijon mustard, freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to add some cold milk to that mayonnaise jar and I'm going to rinse that. A little bit of sugar, that's optional. Salt to taste. Now to this I'm going to add some red chili and I will also add the oil of my sun-dried tomato. They absolutely are a game changer. White pepper and some mixed herbs. Half red apple, half green apple, a bit of sweet gherkins, my crunchy celery as always, and I've also got half red bell pepper. Mix that around. Now once it's thoroughly mixed, I'm gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes, and now it's just time to add your leftover pasta that has been sitting in your fridge. Mix that thoroughly. Let the pasta evenly coat the mayonnaise mixture that we've just created. Now you can just transfer it into an airtight container. I like to throw some dried cranberries, walnuts, some leftover veggies, and look at this. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can munch on it as a meal, as a side, or whatever. Great way to use your leftovers in the fridge. Keep recreating more and more recipes. Stay tuned, stay connected. Love you all. See you again. Bye bye.